YouTube channel. No. Okay, I can't be too loud because I'm at my spa appointment and there's other people around me, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But this was a highly requested video: how to raise your credit score, how to get the perfect credit score at the age of 18. I started building my credit score at 18 and this is my credit score now. Okay, so best believe everything that I tell you in this video is right. The first thing that I want you to do to build your credit score is to download the Discover app. So pause this video right now. Pause the video. Why haven't you paused the video yet? Pause the video and download the Discover app. It is the best app to start your credit score. After you download the Discover app, go ahead and sign up and get your card ordered. This is going to be your credit card. This is going to be the card that boosts your credit score, that gives you statements, all of that. Now that you signed up and you got your card on the way, you're good to go. The second thing that I want you to do is to cancel any other credit cards that you guys might have. One thing people do that easily mess up their credit score is to get all of these credit cards. Like, why do you have a credit card at Victoria's Secret? Why do you have a credit card at your car shop? Why do you have a credit card at Walmart? Like, you guys are making too many accounts with too many credit cards. That is the easiest way to mess up your credit. Cancel any credit card that you might have. This Discover card is the only card that I use. Only use one card, especially if you're starting off at 18. As you get older and more experience with credit, that's when you can jump the gun and get you multiple cards. But for now, since you're starting off, just get one. Boom. The third step is you have to use the card. I know you're scared to use the credit card because you don't want it to like mess up your credit score or bring it down. Another mistake that people use when they're using their credit card is they go buy a TV, they go buy a PS5, they go buy expensive stuff. Why are you using your credit card to buy expensive things? No, baby, no, that is not the way to do it. I'm gonna use it on small things here and there. So for instance, I use my credit card for gas. It usually takes $30 to fill up my tank, so I will use it for gas. Maybe go get me a 4 for $4 from Wendy's, or maybe at the movie theaters. You really want to use your credit card for little small things. You don't ever want to make big purchases on your credit card because that can also be hard to pay off or pay back. Number 4, step 4, make sure you always pay your credit statement or balance 2 days before it's due. A lot of people make this mistake. They pay the balance literally the day of that is due. If you can, it makes it even better if you have automatic payments set up. I have automatic payments set up in my Discover app. It automatically takes up the money for me, but that only works on the day that it is due. If you want to boost your credit score, you have to pay it always 2 days before it is due, because in their eyes, it looks like you're responsible and you can pay things on time. Remember, early is on time. Step 5 is to monitor your spendings. Me, I always write down everything that I spend my money on. Even if it's not using a credit card, I still monitor my spendings by using the Notes app. Like, literally, I'm gonna put a little screen record. Guys, I document everything that I spend, okay? I do not play. I check my bank account every morning. I do not play. This also helps with saving. So yeah, if your credit score is good, you can get anything you want in life. I promise you guys. Oh, boom. I don't hear a lot of people say this, but are we on step 7, guys? Are we on 6 or 7? We gonna say 7. Fuck it. So boom. Step 7, never, ever put your name into someone else's purchase. Oh my gosh, like my father taught me this. This is common sense. Never put your name in nothing for nobody, because if they mess up, if they don't make that payment, or if you guys fall out, say y'all not cool no more, boom, you just messed up your credit score because you put your name into somebody else's thing. Never ever put your name into nothing for nobody. Not a loan, not a car, not a house. Now that I listed the things to do to raise your credit score, to have a good credit score, I think it's a good idea for me to name the things not to do. Don't borrow something that you know you cannot pay back. I'm not sure, I never tried it before. I don't know if the Discover app has an option where you could borrow money, but this could go into anything in general, like a loan, a bank. Never borrow something that you know you cannot pay back. The third thing that will mess up your credit score, have any late or missed payments. This is obvious, you know, if you miss a payment, of course it's gonna mess up your credit score. But yeah, guys, that's why I said set up automatic payments or set a reminder in your calendar 2 days before the due date, because if you miss a payment, it will lower your credit score. It could go from 1 point, 20 points, 30 points. It doesn't matter. All right, guys, those are all my tips around how to get a good credit score and things not to do that will affect your credit score. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a little thumbs up. It really helps your girl. And make sure y'all subscribe for me and comment what y'all want to see next. I'm about to enjoy the rest of my spa day. Look at this beautiful view. But yes, I am about to enjoy the rest of my spa day. I hope you guys liked the video, and yeah, bye. See y'all later.